Hello and welcome. This is Team Beta from the Dependable Systems module at Kingston University. This is a user manual guide for the CVD risk calculator assignment where we're going to walk you through it on how to use it.
So when you start the system, you'll be directed to the calculator page, which you can use even if you're not logged into the system. At the top of the page, you select either LDL or cholesterol points and select your age range from between 30 to 74. Below this, enter your gender, and then you have a choice between millimoles per litre or milligrams per decilitre as units, and enter your LDL or cholesterol value into the box. Below this, do the same for HDLC, again with the unit choice, and then enter your systolic and diastolic blood pressures. Finally, if you're diabetic or smoker, click yes or no in the appropriate boxes, and then press calculate. Now you'll see your results displayed on the screen. In the top left is a breakdown of your results based on the number of points you scored in the calculation and the risk percentage you received from this. It also displays the average, hard and low risk, and the meanings of these are displayed in the box below, along with a hyperlink leading to the NHS site on cardiovascular disease. Finally, on the right hand side is a chart of your results relative to the averages for your age group. To return to the previous page, click the button on the top left to return to the calculator.
There is a login button at the top of the page which will navigate you to the login page where a registered patient and clinician can log in to perform calculations and save the results for each patient. To log in as a patient, you need to enter the details provided by your GP or hospital. Select the login button. The system will navigate you to the patient homepage, where a table with all of calculation performed by the patient will be displayed with its date. In addition, there is a line chart which displays the content history of the result table. This is not only useful to visualize the result as an image, but it also helps patient and clinician to have an overview of the overall progress of the patient health. Select the calculator to perform a calculation. The system will display the pre-filled fields if you have already made a calculation before. Re-enter or amend the required fields for a new calculation. Select the Calculate button to display the results. The system is now displaying the points you scored and risk along with the risk chart. To save the results, select the Save option on the left. The system will ask you if you are sure to proceed and will check if you have already performed a calculation today, since it only allows one calculation to be saved a day. Once you confirm to overwrite the current calculation results, it will then display results saved. After the calculation is done and saved, click Home icon, which will direct you back to the main patient page. Now the line chart and table are showing the current performed calculation. To log out from the system, select the Logout option on the top right of the window. This will navigate you back to the login page.
To log in as clinician, fill in the user account details as required and select the login button. The system has navigated you to the clinician page. Once the clinician is logged in, they can select from different features like performing multiple calculations, searching for registered patients, and performing additional calculation. Change password. Select the Change Password option to change your password if you want to. Enter your current password and your new password if you select the Submit button. Now it will confirm that your password has been changed. This change is also applicable to the patient's page.
To perform multiple calculations for more than one patient, select the Upload File for Multiple Calculations option. Choose a file to upload to make multiple calculations. Then the system reads all the patients and does the calculation. It displays a list of patients with the results of their calculation. Select a patient to view the details of the patient. The system will then display the patient's previously saved records with a history chart. Select Back icon to go back to the patient's list with a list of different patients. Select Home button to go back to the clinician homepage.
To search a patient, you can type in the patient NHS number or surname and press the search button. The table will show the search patient's NHS number along with their full name. Select the patient NHS number to view the details of that patient. You can see the previously stored calculations along with the history result chart. If you wish to perform a calculation for this patient, select the calculator button. Fill in the required fields and select the calculate button. The system displays the points scored and risk along with the result chart and further details. Again, if you wish to choose to save the result, repeat the process mentioned earlier in the video.
Thank you for watching our tutorial. Our team has put in a lot of effort in this project and we hope that the system can be useful to the users. For more information, please visit our website at www.teambeta.com or contact us via email.